Hey everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. Hope each and every one of you are safe and healthy no matter where you are. I am so excited. I am here to do my unboxing for my design team package from Craspire, and I will leave their link down below. And don't forget, if you use Diane5, you can save on your next order, and I would truly appreciate it. And guys, I love wax seals. They are so fun. I am enjoying this so much. And I would like to thank Craspire for giving me this opportunity because I have never done them before and I'm learning and I love it, love it, love it. So what I got was I have the little handle that can go on that you can change the heads of the seals off. And so what I did was I got these, and let me open them. And I'm so excited. They're so cute and so fun. And my mind has been going crazy to think of some different things to use wax seals for. And this one, look how beautiful she is, guys. Oh my word. And this one, it says human wax seal, and it's this beautiful lady, and she's got these butterflies in her hair. I cannot wait to do this. Look how beautiful she is. Love, love, love her. So I got that one, and I will leave all of these links down below. And this one, thought since I love doing Alice in Wonderland and stuff like that, look, it's got the hearts and the spades. I mean, look how beautiful she is. And then this little girl in the middle. And this one right here is called Clock with Girl. Let me see if I can get it to focus, guys. Look how beautiful she is. Oh, love it, love it, love it. So that one, I got that one. And this next one, I thought would be super fun and might be a staple to some projects. This one says, "Open Me." And I thought, okay, yeah, that one would be fun. You could seal a box, you know, and of course your envelopes. Isn't that adorable? So this one says "Open Me." So I'm excited to try that. So I got those three. And everything comes so well packaged, guys. So well packaged. And this was actually a set. And this is called Wax Bead Kit. And it says that there's 320 pieces in this kit. So, yeah, we're going to have some fun. So here are some envelopes. Look at all those beautiful colors, springy colors. Ooh, there's orange in there. Hey, it matches my nails. Cute. Okay, love that. So it comes with some envelopes. It comes with some hemp rope. A lot of that. Some beautiful ribbon in silver, red, green, and blue. It comes with 4 tea lights to melt your wax. And it comes with, wow, it comes with 2 spoons that you melt your wax in. And I love these colors. Vintage, screaming it vintage. Comes in white, silver, gold. I wonder if that's a clear wax. Kind of looks like it, don't it, guys? Well, let's just get in there and check her out. Got this foam that keeps it from bouncing around. The white. I bet that is. I wonder if I could get it. I know what I'm going to do. Let's just get our spoon out. And let's start digging to get in the bottom there. And let's get Come here. I don't want to mix them all up, but it looks like I'm doing it anyway. Come on. Okay, did I get one? No. Yep, I got one. Fishing for wax. That one looks like it's a clear color. I can't wait to try that. Come on, focus for me. It's got too much to look at. There we go. Look at that. It's clear. Oh, I can't wait to play with that. So, guys, be on the lookout. We're going to have some fun with some wax seals, and it's untelling what we'll get into. So, I'd like to thank Craspire again for this beautiful package, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.